Francisco. Took a free ride off a billionaire's jet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share my high-end and luxury makeup recommendation. These are the products that I think is worth your money. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the Chanel Le Beige Freshwater Tint. This product is phenomenal. It doesn't look like you're wearing anything at all. It doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. It feels like water. And I know some people don't like this because it doesn't have that coverage, but it really does something to your skin and it's beautiful. For concealer, I highly recommend the Givenchy Prisma Lip Skincare Concealer. This contains skincare as the name suggested, and I really love how creamy this product is. It really glides on like butter. It doesn't crease all day, and I love how lightweight this product is. I can even wear this as my foundation, so I really love it. Next product that I would like to recommend is the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. I think this product is worth your money because you get a lot of product, and like the name suggested, it has a very natural finish. It does mattify your face without looking flat, which is why I think it's so worth the money. So far, all the Chanel product that I got comes with a tools. This one comes with a puff, and the first one comes with a brush. Next product is something that I'm pretty sure you guys have heard. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is their airbrush finish powder. This is worth the hype, you guys. It does blurs out your face, makes your face look super duper good and flawless all day. Though I have to say, if you have oily skin, I don't think you're gonna appreciate this product because it does not mattify your face all day long. So yeah. Next product is probably my favorite purchase. This is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette in Rose Gold. I love the color, you guys. It's so versatile to me. I've been using this product every single day, especially the pink one. I love it as a blush topper, and I use the other shades for aguasal, and it's so beautiful, you guys. It's so worth the money, and I cannot recommend this enough. Blush is my favorite part of doing my makeup, and yeah, this is a hard pick for me, you guys, but currently I've been loving the Dior Rosy Glow blush in the shade pink, and my current most favorite is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting blush in the shade Ethereal Glow. This is worth your money, you guys. These two are worth your money, I feel like, because they're beautiful, you guys, and they're both in this cool tone pink shades, but they also come in different shades, so if cool tone is not your thing, then you can pick from other colors they have. Last product that I would like to recommend is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Nude Bronze Light. You guys, Hourglass products is just top tier. I love everything, especially the powders. They're so good. And this one is a life changer, you guys. It really it's beautiful. I can't explain it. Like, you have to experience it to know exactly what I'm talking about, but it blends so beautiful like no other bronzer I've tried before, and I really recommend this product, you guys. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll be doing more of high-end or luxury makeup products videos soon. So if this is your thing, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.